Welcome back. On the left side menu, you're going to see an area here that says sound effects. We're going to click on that area. And what we can do is we can think about a sound effect that we want to bring to life, and then we can generate that sound effect here in this area. We can write our prompt in this area and then ask 11 Labs to generate the sound that we are asking for. You're going to notice that you do have some limitations in terms of the number of characters you can use. And once you have written in your prompt, you can then click this Generate Sound Effects button. You can then listen to the iterations of 11 Labs version of your prompt and then download the one or ones that you like best. So as you can see, 11 Labs will attempt to honor your request in order to generate a sound effect that you designate. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.